Okay, good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Lovely Joy Del Pozo, 31 years of age. I am from Kidapawan City, North Cotabato. I am married with one daughter and she is 5 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings. I have one sister. I am the eldest of the family.
Okay, tell me your educational background.
I am a graduate of Business Administration, major in Marketing Management.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, obedient, trustworthy, and God-fearing.
Okay, why do you want to work in abroad or Hong Kong?
I want to work in abroad to save financially for my family and save money for the future of my daughter.
Okay, who will take care of your child when you go to abroad?
My husband and parent will take good care of my daughter.
Okay, please tell me your working experience.
I have a working experience in the Philippines from May 2016 to August 2019 with a married couple with three children, 14 years old girl, 12 years old girls, and 3 years old boy. My job duties is taking care of the children, cooking, marketing, ironing their clothes, and cleaning the house.
Okay, are you the only housemaid in the house?
Yes, I am the only one.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to take care of healthy elderly persons?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to take care of children and newborn babies?
Yes, sir.
What will you do if the baby will cry?
I will check the baby's diaper if it is dirty and I will change it. I will check the baby if it's hungry and I will feed it. I will check the baby's temperature if she or he is okay. And if he is not, I will inform immediately my employer.
Okay, what will you do if the children are naughty and will not listen to you?
I will encourage the children by playing, sing a song. If they keep on not listening to me, I will be patient, calm down, and talk to them. If they have want, I will ask them, and I will inform them. If they will not listen to me, I will tell to their mother and father.
Okay, what will you do if you feel homesick?
I will just focus on my work and employer's needs.
Do you have the full consent of your husband, parents, or family to work abroad?
Yes, sir.
If you have family problem, would you go home or just send financial support?
I will just send financial support.
Are you willing to share room with the children, elderly, and other helpers?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to work during your rest day and employer will just pay you overtime?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Please sing a nursery song.
The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. Do you know how to swim?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverages?
No, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Do you have tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have food allergy?
No, sir.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No, sir.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, sir.
Do you have surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. As long as my employer needs me.
Okay, please give a message to your future employer.
Hi, ma'am and sir, to my dear future employers. I am Lovely Joy Katahong. I am honest, obedient, and trustworthy. Please choose me as your housemaid. I promise to take good care of you as what I have take good care of my family. I promise to follow all your instructions. Please choose me and see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you.